My first video today is just going to be for AMC, following up with the video I made yesterday. Go watch it if you haven't seen it. I was forecasting a kind of a, not really a dump. I called for a little bit of downside of flag day, kind of choppy, sideways, not really looking for much of a rally. And we didn't see that. We got a little high, and I said yesterday that 815 would be about where we see the price kind of hit its head, bounce a little bit, heavy resistance there, and sure enough, that's basically what happened. To 823, what? I was 8 cents off. Oh, I'm sorry. That was a fantastic call. The price now falling pretty hard and finding the bottom of this channel or this trend. This is not looking very bullish to me right now, and if I were holding long and trying to buy into this rally, I would be very cautious, mostly because point E on the ascending broadening wedge is the last touch point, and Bulkowski has some trading tips on this pattern. He says, hey, at that third touch point, when the price reverses, you're going to either go long or you're going to go short, but that fifth touch point, the third touch point on one of the trend lines, that's where you're going to enter or exit your trade, and you're going to start that count, of course, on a counter trend. So this beginning of the trend is not point A, it is the push up that starts the pattern for A, B, C, D, and E. We see that currently price is challenging the uptrend. It's very possible we lose the uptrend and this move is completely over. But that doesn't mean that we won't get a bounce. The next push down is going to be what's called a motive wave. It's going to take a 5-wave form, and I believe we may have seen the first 2 waves, and the third wave is developing, heading lower. Bear with me here while I pull out an extension tool, not just a trend line, and I'll try to get a little forecast going there. So that's the terminus of wave 2 in this push down, and you can see the measured move down target for a corrective move would be at 643. That's where the price is currently floating in after hours, right on that uptrend. If it's a true motive wave heading lower, we're going to see that third wave extend, most likely, and that would take the price down to 579. The retracement would be a wave 4, and it would probably be something really volatile like a zigzag, and that could come as high as 726 before we get wave 5, which would match wave 1 in amplitude and time. And so overall, I'm thinking the price of AMC is probably forming some sort of head and shoulder top, where we're going to call the point C on this ascending broadening wedge the left shoulder, D the first armpit, and E the head. Of course, it doesn't have to play out that way. If the price can continue to push higher, then we'll be doing a bullish breakout, but we didn't get a bullish breakout, so I'm not going to be putting that price target on the board. So if you are trading AMC, be very careful. The price is moving around a lot. When I zoom out, you're going to see in white a broadening bottom. If the price can bounce here and pull up, it's going to form what's called a partial decline. The partial decline is a bullish thing, and once the price breaks out, you can expect to reach the upper level of that price target, and if we get that, then I'll put it on the board. I'm thinking to myself that this looks like the rally's over, that earnings kind of finalized that. It did reverse the trend, which is actually something I said in my normal analysis video. So overall, I want to say that if that's the top, I called it. If it's not the top, I'm going to be surprised, and I will update if I think we have a new high coming in, but I don't think so. If you like the content, the analysis, the accuracy of the forecasting, hit comment, like, subscribe, do something. My views have been like in the tank lately. I shake my head because my price targets are good. Anyway, I'm out of here. Bye.